gals and guys, it's Christopher Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com, and today this is what we're going to do. We're going to kind of format out a couple listings that I've done on Amazon. These are my listings for new products. I'm going to put a series of actually 3 videos down in the description that will help you out to where I got to this point. If you've never been able to put your own products on Amazon, let me just say this first before I say anything, is that if the product's already on Amazon, I mean, certainly use that listing for your listing. It's best that you do that. But in these particular cases, which are products that I'm putting on here, there was absolutely no listing for these products. So I went ahead. The videos below are going to show you the process that I went through in order for Amazon to allow me to go ahead and give me permission to put these products on Amazon.com. Okay, so after that, what you're going to see is, for this particular video, is what I'm going to show you is how to get these descriptions looking like this. As you can see here, I put all this stuff in here. This needs a little TLC. So I'll just show you real quick how that's kind of formatted. All right, and then this is the product I'm going to focus on. As you can see, there is nothing here. And this is all smushed all together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring up an empty notepad. I'm just going to put it on my other screen. You're not going to be able to see it, but the only reason I'm doing that is so I can grab this. So, and I'm going to put this code down in the description so you can download it. I'm not sure. I've put it in Notepad or Word or something, or Word or something like that. And then here's your bullet points. So I don't really need to do anything with that, and I don't have to grab anything. So your bullet points are here, right? So your bullet points, we'll take the first one, starts with our, I don't know how to pronounce that, 135 watt silver black umbrella. So if you come here, all right, so that matches up with that. So that's where those are going. You've got, I believe you can do 4. There is a limit. I think it's 4. It's a limit. I got 3 on there now, so I can do 1 more. So I'm going to put as much information as I could up here because that's initially what people are going to read, like I did right here. But I'm going to do it here, and I just go to the website where I'll initially drop ship the product. Which here you can see it's the same product, right? And I'll just go down to the description, and I'm just going to grab like. Here, I'll do this first one. This will be the first bullet. And I'm going to put this back over there. And then I will come here and bullet point. That's going to be the first bullet point. Okay, then I'm going to save. Thanks for submitting. So like it says, it takes about 15 minutes for that to update. All right, and I'm going to format the rest of it, and then in about 15 minutes, I'll start the camera again, and I'll show you that it's changed right here, and then we'll continue from there. Okay, so I will be with you momentarily. All right, so I just did an update here with this particular product, and I'll show you what I did, and yeah, let's get rid of that. That's not the one I did. So this is it. So as you saw before, I added some details on that. So, basically what I did is, let me grab a bunch of this stuff here just to show you. Yeah, I just grabbed this right here, and I just put it into a notepad so I can manipulate it because you only have so many bullet points, as I mentioned. So let's get into there, and let me show you exactly because I'm going to make some more updates. All right, so let me show you the updates I'm going to make first. I know I'm kind of all over the place here. All right, I'm going to format this better. It does accept HTML, so that's going to be the next step when I make the next cut. But let's do this. Let's go to edit just so I can show you. All right, so you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bullet points. So what I did is I just grabbed all that information and I went through it to where I could get 5 bullet points. I did combine one. As long as it flows correctly and it flows right and it reads right, I mean, it's all good. So that's what I did there for those bullet points. And now this is all a mess. I'm going to add some HTML to it, and we will come over here and see what it looks like. So I've got this. Again, this is going to be down in the description. Not sure how I'll have it, but this is basically your HTML, and that's going to fit right there, as I said. So here's our products. Here's our list of more information that I want to put. I'll just get rid of this stuff right here. Let me see. I'm going to get rid of this stuff. Get rid of all this stuff. And then, so this is going to be your highlighted. So your features is going to be your highlighted. I'm going to put in specifications like I did here. And so as you can see, I already added some of that there, but I'll show you specifically what I'm doing here. All right, and then there's LED lamp parameters, and then that lists them. So that's where I put this here. All right, and I didn't highlight it. You can either put, so if you're not familiar with HTML, it's open close tag. So for this particular thing, this means bold. And you can either put bold or strong. Either are acceptable. You can put strong, close tag strong, or bold. It doesn't matter either way. Yeah, those are spaces. So those are just one tag. Those aren't closed. You don't have to close those. Excuse me. So I put two spaces there. And then I put LED parameters. And as you can see, I started listing them. So these are your bullets. So this is the beginning of your list. This is the tag for the beginning of your list. And once you've concluded your list, where the hell's the end of the, maybe the tag's not there. Well, the tag should be OL as the end of the list. I'm not seeing it on there. It should be on there. So I'll put this down here. So that's the beginning of your list. Now LI, this tag is each bullet point. So you can see LI, LI. And if it makes it easier from the template that I'm going to give you, just in between these, just return it in a notepad or wherever you're going to use there. And then just keep grabbing like I did here. And just put your information. So let me drag this thing over here. You don't really need to see that. All right, where did I leave off here? Cooler temperature. So I'm going to get adjust brightness. Yes. All right. And then I'm just going to go here because this is all from an old product that I already listed. This is just an example I took from another product. This. And then you kind of get the idea there. And I'm going to keep going until I get all the information. I'm going to make sure all this information is in here. You do get so many characters, but I think I don't have that many characters to worry about it. Amazon only allows you so many characters in the description. All right, so as you can see, I finished up formatting everything, got all that information in there. So I'm going to grab all this. Copy, and I'm going to replace all this stuff here. And what Amazon's going to do is it's going to squish it all together like this, but the HTML code will be in there. So it might look like that initially, but it's going to look like, let's see if I still have it up like that, which is fine. All right. So we are going to hit save and finish. Okay, and it says it's going to give us that 15-minute message. So I'm going to go get some more coffee, and in about 15 minutes, we'll see what it looks like. All right, so I went ahead and formatted this, and I started with this here, and I decided I did not want numbers. I wanted bullet points. So for bullet points, just change that OL. Just change this right here. Just change it to UL. So this is for bullet points. This is for numbers. So as you can see, this is numbers, and there still needs to be a little formatting here. That's not all great. And I went back and changed it again. So there's my bullet points. And then I just got to bring that down. I got to format this a little more. So I'll do that now. I'm not sure if it updated yet. No, but it will update in about 15 minutes. So that's how you do all that, guys and gals. So that should be it for this video, this time out. So as always, if you have any questions, certainly shoot them below in the comments. And please subscribe to my videos if they are very helpful for you, or like and share if you think it's going to be some helpful for someone else. And then hit that belly thingy dingy dingy for updates, which I should have several in the next couple days, I think. So I thank you as always. I appreciate you as always, gals and guys, and I will catch you later. Bye-bye.